And then, you see those birds up there near the airplane? Flying in the V? How cool is that? Right there. Alright, so we're going to drop the landing gear. It's on a 5 to 6 second delay. Wow, look at that. Alright, a little pressure on the elevator like I like. Coming around. Backing out of the power. Getting down low. Backing on out. Man, how was that, Jeff? Jeez.
You know what?
That was pretty dang smooth.
You sat down just at the right time, sir.
Wow, man, that was crazy. That thing flies good. Let's check the battery.